He karere o horere e hare ake nei, kua panaia te kapa o ngā mānako I te whakatātai te matamano e tū mai nei. Ka mutu ko tūturu whakamaua kia tīna te kapa, ka whakaki I tō rātou tunga.
Te Matamamo, where every 2 years the greatest come together in one place to battle it out on the Kapahaka stage. 40 groups from across Aotearoa and 3 from Australia have campaigned hard and triumphed within their regions to win the right to perform over the 3-day Matamamo Festival. To witness this electrifying and stirring spectacle, you must be there. Get your tickets from Tekete now.
You fellas better be ready for some competition, because here we come.
Is that a haka group? Sounds like that crap. I reckon. They're going to nationals. What the hell? Only 7 weeks. Dreamers.
Oro moke. Morena.
Morena tips. Here, a minute. Bring it in. Eki, they're here already. Anaeta.
Tuke, e timatanga pai tēnei.
They're here all right. They've been here all night.
Kia ora koutou mā. What the? Oho ake. Oho ake koutou mā. Poko tifo. This isn't bloody good enough. We finally get our chance at the nets after 8 long, hard years, and you fellas want to sink our waka before we even start paddling. Go away, tātou. Kokwa, you're the women's tutor. You're supposed to be setting an example.
You was last night, Fred.
Go away, tātou.
You forgot what our name is. Tūturu whakamaua kia tīna.
Tīna! Ah, tika. Tūturu whakamaua kia tīna. But you fellas aren't being too to the kaupapa now, are you?
Kotai means one altogether. Sorry, whānau. Sorry, Deeps.
Ka tahira.
Mo taku tōmeri I moeroa pipi.
Kei te paisa seno. Well, there's one on the waka with me. But what about you fellas, huh? We have a chance, whānau. We have got to grab it. We have to grab it by the
Balls.
tail. We've only got 7 weeks, whānau. Oh, that's not long enough, Deeps. Well, you know what? It's long enough for me. But that's me. I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna be leading a ropu onto that stage. What you need to ask yourselves is, am I gonna be there? Am I gonna be there?
You just said you're gonna be there.
I didn't mean me, I meant you.
Oh, sorry.
You fellas have to get your shit together. We're on the floor in 10. Hoake!
Mensa girl.
Fuck you!
G'day. Is this where Tūturu Whakamau Kia Tīna practice?
Ah, you're here for the muster girl.
Fire?
Ko ai toi ingoa kōtiro.
Ko Sina.
Tēnā koe Sina, ko Mavis Ahau, but you could call me Maeve or Fire. Erua. So, tūturu whakamaua kia tīna, eh?
Tina. It's such a privilege, right? And it's not just because they're going to nationals either. Like, I've always loved turus and
Darling, you're here just in time to give me a hand. Can you pop out to my waka and grab my meaty naku and pop it into my kota for me?
Pai no whai.
Kia ora, darling. Maeve's bolognese. Atamari e te whānau. Oh, aroha my teeps. This young lady's come to join the rōpū.
Kia ora.
Kia ora.
What's wrong, dear?
Are you two...
Oh, him and I? Oh, no relation. He's a takawhaka and I'm a whakataka. Anyway, girl, kia ka, you'll be gone. It's bye.
Ko wai tō ingoa?
Ko Sina?
Tēnā koe sina, ko tipene a hau, but everyone calls me Teeps. Teeps. Perhaps we'll start by getting you introduced to the rōpū. Haramai.
E noho koutou mā.
Let's hear from someone who actually might be worth listening to. Where you go, dear?
Kia ora koutou, ko Sina taku ingoa. I'm first year PMPA at uni, and straight up, I've always loved tūturu whakamaua kia tīna, like way back since you fellas first started in 08. And I think you fellas were pretty mean last Regies too. I mean, you smash ngā mā nako. So it's mean you're going to Matamano now. And Pohi, can I just say, you're like my idol. Like, you're just so beautiful, and you're even more beautiful in real life. And you just
Ka pai, Sina. Kia ora. I'm Koakua. I'm the women's tutor. Why don't you take a seat with the rest of the rōpū, eh? Get into it. All right, whānau, we've got heaps to do, not much time. First of all, I want to take our ladies.
Yes.
We're just going to go through some...
Whatever you young ones say these days. Cool. Look at you. Ah, thank goodness I've arrived just in the nick of time. Go on, sit down.
Come on. Mum.
Righto. No more faffing about. Tu mai koutou. Tu mai. Now, whatever that hideous noise was that I could hear in the car park, and I'm not even going to call it singing, I do not want to hear that ever again.
Ka te kōtiro. So now that you're a part of Turus, let me give you the whātahi tahi. See our solo boy over there? He's our wannabe Māori.
Oh, that cave was awesome, man. And did you know I'm a dancer?
Always busting out his kupuhau. Kore as that haka, but always uki te kaupapa.
I got him.
His idol's Ao Kahua, aka Muscle Mene.
Oh, just you and me, baby. Fruits.
Boy says ripped ass, but he is home now, so don't ever give him your brakete or anything. I reckon it's the roids. And he goes with your idol, little Miss Puhi o Te Rangi over there. She thinks she's trick as. She's lead soloist, and apart from me, she's a boy star too. Engari hikari hika, yeah? A slut. You know, horror, de-explorer, you know, girl? And tērā wahi nei reira, kohana tērā. She can be a whakaputa mohio sometimes, engari kare tu atu iai mo te kohi pūtea, eh? And that hori fellow over there, ko manu tērā, he's our kai raku. Boy's always been a hako when he actually turns up to practice. And that other hori boy next to him, ko te peke tērā, but we just all call him T-Dub. Ke te koe tana kōmore down there, girl? Ah, girl, ka tahi nei a ka puta mai.
Hea tana hata.
Well, him and his loser friends got caught up with some dramas, ripping off waka or whatever. Narawaki, they got snapped, eh, girl? Idiots, I know. But you know what? He can hack a girl. True. Oh, and you've met old girl over there who looks like she needs another good duaki.
Kwakwai.
She used to be mana haka back in the days, but oh, girl just needs a taihua deal, hiruai. But you can't blame her, especially with a mama like hers. Nanny thinks she's getting the kind of a fanny over there.
You're going up, going down that gate at the Kai Pipe. Now you get those cups, bring them back down there, okay? Come on.
She's always trying to get into koro moke moke's rahos. Apparently they had a thing back in Te Ao Kohatu. Bet she'd like for koro to mow her lawn, eh, girl? But koro's only keen on Auntie Maeve. Poor koro. It's like he's the only one that doesn't realise that she's a takapaka wahine.
Ka aroha.
Well, what are they going to do anyways, eh, girl? Have sword fights?
You've got something to say there, Roland?
Nothing, Auntie.
I, thought not. Mints, anybody? Anybody want any more mints? Taking over there?
Oh, kia wai haere koe ki tērā. I'm not the only thing mincing around here. There's always mints on the menu. I te ao, I te pō, girl.
Koe rei wamarangi tuatai ki te hoi, and we're getting them gains. We got the protein shake of doom. Haka warangas.
So, bro, how long will it take me to get ripped up like you?
Koe nei te matua e hoa. Once you uke te kaupapa, nothing can stop you.
Oh, okay. So that's step kotahi, mind game.
Mind game.
And once I got that down, then how long do I look like you?
Don't worry about it. It takes time, bro. There's things you can start doing now to accentuate your positives.
Oh, really, bro?
Engari tonu. Skincare, tanning, styling. And there's also supplements as well that can help speed up the process to make sure you get the most out of your workouts. Basically, protein, okay? You should be having 220 grams minimum.
Minimum.
No, then you have your glutamine, your creatine, your fish oil, your multivitamin, and that's just the basic. And Bob's your auntie.
Who's Bob?
Just made it up. It's saying, okay? Let's get the gains, man.
My rotu's always on horoi mai tau. So moha. Plus it makes my hands go ringaropa too.
Hi, Ma. Hi, ka pai. Hey, what you doing? That's only like a tiko. Mahi ate mahi.
Girl, me haere ai ki te wharipaku. Yogurt's finished these, eh?
Haere koe.
Check, tēnā koe kōtiro.
I can do it.
Look at that. Rust!
Oh.
You know this? Let's have a workout. Yeah, it's right there. Yeah, let's work those triceps, eh? Look around. What you want to do? Legs out like this, check it out. Nice and straight. Arms, body down, and up. Come over here, bro. Feel my triceps. Here we go. Feel my triceps. That's my upper back. Tricep, that's the lower back. Triceps, that's the chest. Triceps of arms. Feel the arms. Oh, feel it. Feel it. It's pretty intense, eh?
High five, bro. Good fight.
Come on, you too. Got through it, what? Yeah. Bye. Bro, yeah, put it up. Kika hauso. Papai. Anna, kan not te whike, Anna! Kan not te whike! Oh, kia uru rotia! Hiki na! Hey!
Someone mopped the floor and made me
Gave up. No, give up. You gotta get that goal. He's dreamless. Never give up. Come on. One more time. Watch it.
Kua hoha katoa e te horoi mai tai.
Hey, pai ake tērā I te horoi wharepaku. There's some stink asses in this rope.
No. It's not the one when you're hanging with the dries either.
Oh, well, that's what happens when you want to challenge everyone to drink like a boss next minute. Ruaks of doom.
I was spewing out of both ends. Anyway, but the smoking rahui Teeps has got us on. It's not winning.
Oh, it's Teeps. Huckers always have smokers. No mai rāno tēnā hua.
Ai, tautoko. Who does he think we are anyways? Te mātārai, dreamer. How tō mahere mo te pōnei, girl?
Well, karaoke at the tab. Up again, whānau, round 2. Plus, I can't wait to get out of here so I can have a bloody smoke.
Oh, eta. Kei konei tonu koe. Where's the rest of your ropu?
All I know is Roland had to go wharepaku.
Oh, did he now?
Aye. Engari, he pai mai ho.
My dear, you can't let them skive off horoi mai tai duty. You give them an inch, they'll take a mile. Now, where's the rest of your ropu? Kei hea Miss Bui.
Awai?
Puhi, where's she?
girl. I know we always say aroa tētahi ke tētahi. Oh, jeez, man.
Now, each and every one of you must tend to your voice as though it were a delicate puti-puti, ready to bloom at the perfect moment. Otherwise, we'll have a mara full of noxious-sounding weeds, and that will not do at all. So rather than cluster you together, whereby no doubt some of you will hide behind the voices of others, today we work one on one. Kua koa, ki mua. Kua koe he tīmata. Ka pio karu. Pretend you're on the national stage, ha ki roto, and try to imagine that you are pretty, and repeat after me. I feel pretty, oh so pretty. Now come on, Koko, give it to me. I feel pretty.
I feel like a dick.
Come on, Koko. Come on, cut off your girl.
I feel pretty.
Really, Koko?
Now, kei ngā karot. Tēnā.
Tēnā koe tapu kura pūro.
Moke, he ngā tō pirangi.
I think you know what my pirangi is. Have you ever heard the kōrero? Ko te manukai I te biro. Nōnā te ngahere.
Yes, and with education, the world's your oyster. What's your point?
Now that's one version. But my version goes, ko te tangata kai I te manukai miro. Nā te wahine.
What are you on about?
Uhi.
Oh my gosh. Moke, I've never seen one so huge.
Well, e te tau. It's all yours. Nothing but the finest of delicacies will do for you, my dear. Eh?
That big thing is all for me.
Is it a sunny day when the sun is shining?
Well, you might have to give it a pluck before I lay my hands on it. Oh, Moki, you know you can't go around killing kiddidu willy-nilly, silly. No, pop it into the chiller behind the miti naku-naku. Kia tere before anybody sees you. Hurry up.
Kia ora te whānau, look what I bought up. This can't be us. Kei hea tātou?
Well, ko māwiwi te pepe a hana, mana and his missus had another domestic, so ko mahui ki te kāinga me ana tamariki.
Yeah, well, where's the rest of it?
Roland had to go and look after his kuia, and Kwakwa had her reo noho tonight.
Ah, did she now? Well, that's just bloody great, isn't it, Barno? Any more apologies?
Puhi had a headache, so Kahu had to take her home. And Nanny Fanny needed a lift to the Hui at the Women's Welfare League, so Kahu took her as well.
I don't know why I bother. In fact, I'm out. Oh, come on! Why me? Ah!
Holy shit, someone steal your wheels, boy. You need a lift. Come on.
So much for Teeps and his tuturu ki te kaupapa bullshit. As soon as he gets hoha, he gaps it. I should have stood with Oruorua. They wanted me, you know.
Me, you.
Okay. Jim, I'm Maurice. Just want to say you fellas are awesome, eh? Awesome excuse to get away from the Midian kids. Hey.
Kia ora whānau. I know I don't always bring it, but I really believe in us as a rōpū. And we're not just a hot dog or a tautoko rōpū either. You know, we've got the goods and we've got, you know, we're not just to hear the tautoko, the big guns. What?
It's tautoko, girl. Kaora wai kōrero mō tōtau me te teko I te wākotahi. Kia ora.
Kia ora te whānau. Church. Doits.
Wow. Deep. Kia ora tātou. I mean, don't mau ki te manawa or anything, but pick up your te tautau. Kāre take o te tangitangi I te korenga o Teeps. I mean, we don't even need him. Ara no atu ngā rōpū.
Actually, bro, I think we do need Teeps. Ko kaha whakapaukaha ia, ke eke ai tātou ki konei. And look at us, slagging him off, talking about to go into the rōpū. Kei a tātou tonu ngā pūkenga. It's like you, bro. The shit you can do with the poi is amazing. Kāre e tangata tuatu I a koe. Wahine mai, tāne mai. And you, sis, 1 minute ko pakaru te pūkoro, me ara wāke, it's like we won the bloody lotto. E puhi, me ko hine rehi a koe. Our young sis over here pretty much joined Tiru just because of you. Us, you finally made men's reserve. Sis, you used to smash it on the floor. I reckon just Taiwan the Inuwai Piro, and you could be the Meke as women's leader. We know you are. Anyway, whānau, kei a tātou te mana. We got this, if we want it. And I sort of hope we do, because I need it for my parolee.
Well, someone has to ask Tips to hoki mai, hoki mai.
Oh, shit. Did you hear? The group might be pulling out.
What? But I've got a ton of meaty naku in there. What am I supposed to do with that now?
Well, I've always loved your poro.
My what?
Your whistles. Beautiful.
Yes, well, everybody loves my poro meaty naku. You should see the boys gobble it up. But don't be so ridiculous, Moke. If we had to share that many poro meaty naku, we'd be eating until kingdom comes.
Kia tau taku tau. Look on the bright side.
What bright side?
Well, now you can come to the RSA with me tonight.
Oh, Moke, why on earth would you want to go to the RSA with me for?
Oh, the RSA? Kei te wā te au e, Moke.
Well, there you go. It's a date.
Tina! You the man. I took care of my shit. I was on the kaupapa. I am not wasting my pukenga on those Turu's clowns anymore. What?
Bro, where are you?
I was wondering the same thing about you last night.
Bro, I'm sorry. I let you down. We all did. And we want to make it up to you. Bro, you gotta come back and hear this.
Well, I would, if I had wheels. This had better be bloody good.
Give us another go, eh, bro?
Girls back!